How to contact FaceApp support. First of all, open FaceApp on your device and tap the settings icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, scroll down and tap on the support option. Here you will see multiple options such as report issues and send logs, questions, suggestions, enter support code, and request cloud data removal. If you are experiencing technical problems, tap report issue and send logs to submit your issue along with system information to help the support team identify the problem. You can also use the questions and suggestion option to ask for help or share your feedback directly with FaceApp. If needed, you can enter a support code provided by the team or request to remove your data from FaceApp's cloud servers using the Request Cloud Data Removal option. Now you know how to contact FaceApp support. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.